Hi everyone! Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to make a very famous dish, the special chicken pulao. Please try this recipe, I'm sure you're gonna love it. So before going to start making this recipe, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get updates of all our next video uploads. Thank you. Let's have a look on the ingredients we're gonna be using today. So these include chicken, onions, green peppers, and tomatoes. So hang on tight and watch this video till end. First, take a large pan and add 1 cup of oil in it. Now add 2 chopped onions in it and let them get brown. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste in it and let them mix. Please tell your name and from where are you watching this video in the comments box. Please like and share our videos. Thank you. Now add 2 chopped tomatoes in it and let them mix. Now it's time for the chicken to be added in it. If you're still watching this video, it means you're loving it. Now add some garam masala like white cumins, long, etc. Now add 1 tablespoon of red peppers powder in it. Now add 2 tablespoons of salt in it, or as per your taste. Now mix this gravy thoroughly so that the taste of all these ingredients gets enhanced. If you like this recipe, then please share it with your friends and family. Now I have added some black peppers in it. Mix it. Now it's time for the green peppers to be added in it to get a spicy look. Now I have added 1/4 kilograms of pulse in it. It's not mandatory in it, but I used to add it. Mix it. Now add 2 glasses of water in it. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Now mix these ingredients and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Once cook the gravy for 5 to 7 minutes. Add 1 kilograms of soaked rice in it and let them stir with the gravy so that they can absorb the mixture in them. Now give the mixture an extra heat by putting some heavy weight on the pot for another 5 minutes. On time up, remove the weight from the pot and mix them. Congratulations! Our chicken pulao is ready to be served. Hope you like this recipe and will try it. And if you want to have more content like this, then please subscribe and share my YouTube channel with your friends, relatives, and friends. Thank you so much for your support. Take care, bye-bye.